Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Auth0 enterprise plans, complete guide step by step clearly. Scroll down to locate the pricing section. Click on the pricing menu option. Review the available plans and select enterprise. This will direct you to more detailed information about the enterprise offering. Next, look for the Get Started or Contact Sales button. Click this button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to a form to provide your contact information. Fill in your name, email address, and any other requested details. Be sure to include any specific requirements or questions you may have. Once your information is complete, submit the form. A representative from Auth0 will reach out to you shortly. They will discuss your needs and provide tailored pricing options. After reviewing the offerings, confirm which plan suits your requirements. If satisfied, follow the representative's instructions to finalize your subscription. Prepare any necessary documentation or approvals from your organization. Once your subscription is confirmed, you will receive access to your Auth0 dashboard. From there, you can begin configuring and using your enterprise features. Your dedicated support for the enterprise plan will also be outlined in your welcome materials. Make sure to take advantage of the resources available to maximize your use of Auth0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.